today I'm going to tell you an update about the watch we buy for my wife and for me. And that's going to be almost like a month we have it, almost. And trust me, I scratched it a little bit down and still working. The strap is still holding perfectly, and we still look how much, you know, for how much we are in shape. So I just want to tell you the watch we buy, it's still good, still working perfectly, and we still love it. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.